right, we're going to be using IXL, and when you get to the sign-in page, you'll put your username and your password. This was sent to you through your Canvas inbox, and it was attached as an image, so you will should have it there. I like to click remember because then I don't have to always try to remember. So you'll sign in, and I want you to start by going to Diagnostic here on the green screen, and you'll click Step into the Arena. Now, I've already started this as Nacho, and so if you don't finish it and you come back to it later, then you will see some progress along the line. So you'll either the first time come to Step into the Arena, or if you've left and you come back, go to Diagnostic and click Step into the Arena. And it's going to ask you to choose one question to start with. So I'm going to click this one. Look at the colored part of each shape. Which shape shows 3/4? 3/4 is 3 out of 4 pieces. Submit. All right, I got it down. Yay, I got it right. There will be times when I don't know. Okay, so like let's say I'm not sure about this one. I'm going to say it's 1 out of thirds. I have to use a slash to separate. Anything with a little speaker here,
What fraction does the number line show?
it will read it to you in a little robotic voice. And so I'm going to click this. Oh, that's not it, but we'll try again later. So don't worry if you get it wrong. Well, I know this one. These are all, pick all the circles. They're all circles. Yay! That was super easy. Some will be easier. Some will be harder. All right. So I can click see my levels, but let's say which fire truck is the shortest. Let's say I don't know this yet. I click down here. I don't know this yet. And it will kind of be added to your to-do list. Okay. And let's say this should take you about 45 minutes to get all the way through the whole diagnostic. And if you can't do that all in one setting, it's okay. You can leave and come back. You can also mix math and language arts. You can just do math or you can just do language arts. And remember, if you don't know, just click I don't know, and it will add. If you want to check in on your levels, see your levels, and you can see where you're at. Okay, and scroll down to that. And when you're all done, if you want, you can print a diagnostic action plan. We'll be using this throughout the year for English and for math. You can click on Learning when you're done and Language Arts. In class, we had gone to, grammar and mechanics, and we have talked a lot about nouns and parts of speech. So you can go ahead and start with PP nouns and just start at number 1 and use it as your list. We'll work through nouns a bit. When you're in the learning portion of IXL, you will see is
the word in bold a noun?
So you will have to think about, what is a noun? Is a noun it's a person, place, or thing. So the woman had forgotten to invite him to the party. So this word forgotten, it's in bold. Is it a noun? Is it a person, place, or thing? No. Then I'll submit. I got it correct. It tells me I got it correct. And you'll see this SMART score go up. The SMART score is a measure of your progress towards mastery. It's not really a percentage grade. It tracks your skill level as you tackle progressively more difficult questions. They will get harder and harder as you keep going. So consistently answer questions correctly to reach excellence, which is 90%, or conquer the challenge zone to achieve mastery at 100%. Okay, so shoot for 90. You can keep going to 100. And click submit. And it gives you a feedback right away, and you'll see that SMART score go up, and you'll see how many questions you've answered. Is this word a noun? I'm going to click yes, even though I know go is not a noun. It's not a person, place, or thing, and I'll submit, and you'll see what happens. Sorry, incorrect. You notice my SMART score did go down. The correct answer is no, and there is an explanation. So here's what the question was. It says a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. I always forget idea. So the word go is not a noun. It does not name a person, place, or thing, or idea. And you click got it. And then it'll take you right back in. So my mom fixed a hole with a needle and thread. Is needle? Yes, that is a noun. It's a thing. And you see the smart score goes back up. So this is how you work in IXL. You also can go to math. We have done time so far this year. So if you want to go into time, it's a lot of skills, a lot of concepts. So try not to get overwhelmed with that. But units of measure has time, and we've done measure using an inch ruler. We have done time, which is where it should be here. This is a lot even for me to look at. Now I'm not seeing time. Is time in its own? Time's in its own. T for time. All right. So if you want to practice time, you can start with matching clocks. What does the clock say? 3 o'clock, 8:30, or 3:30? It's 3:30. So you can work in math. You can work in language arts. You also can go to your game board and you can see, I've answered one question. I practiced for less than a minute. I've mastered 0 skills. Okay, so I have to go for 5 more minutes, 99 questions, and get 1 skill till my next win. So I'm not ready. I have to practice more. But there are awards, and you can check in and see it says you won a sticker. Click to reveal. So I've practiced for 2 days, so I get a sticker. And if I keep going, I get that. I have mastered 1 skill. And so if you like a sticker chart, you can check here for your digital sticker chart. All right. Thanks for getting to know IXL.